pregnancy to the table is 5 months or less.
It's crazy.
That's why they breed like rabbits. That's why.
Mormons or Catholics?
Term.
No, are your rabbits Mormons or
Oh,
Catholic?
they're Catholic rabbits.
Oh, okay. They're breeding like Catholic rabbits, huh? Look at that, Maggie's doing excavation. I'm gonna send a video to Case. Even a 10-year-old girl can run your machines.
Hey.
Yeah. They don't want you. Go away. Go away.
Nice scoop, Maggie. Good job.
Well, that's wasn't using
How's you guys got a Jack Russell, didn't you? How's he doing?
Very well. I think he's very happy with him.
You sit down.
Keep the rabbits out of your garden?
Are you gonna try it, Mark?
Yeah, that was the main thing, is just keep animals away.
Especially the chipmunks.
No.
The chipmunks been decimating the garden. It's
Oh, have
ridiculous.
they?
Yes.
No,
Drive me crazy. And they eat everything too. It's like they destroy the green beans, the
No,
cucumbers, the squash. And it's not like, fine, pick a squash and eat the whole thing. No. They nibble on it, just enough to it rots.
yeah.
And then the same with cucumbers. Your turn yet, James?
What?
You gonna go now?
Yeah.
Keep the outside at night then?
Yeah, we're leaving him outside. I don't really want a dog in the whole thing.
You are not clean.
He comes through and cleans up lunch.
No, you sit down.
Okay.